Welcome to another exciting episode of Renovation X. Today, we're diving into the most stunning home renovation hacks inspired by Pinterest. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly updates, luxury transformations, or clever DIY tricks, we've got you covered. Stick around until the end because we'll be revealing a game-changing hack that can elevate any space effortlessly. Let's start with the magic of peel and stick wallpaper. This Pinterest favorite is an absolute game-changer. Whether you're in a rental or just love to switch things up, peel and stick wallpaper allows you to experiment with bold colors, modern textures, and stunning designs without the long-term commitment. Imagine turning a dull wall into an elegant marble masterpiece or adding a tropical touch to your bedroom. The best part? It's easy to install and remove without damaging the walls. Plus, with so many designs available, you can instantly refresh any space without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about furniture flips. If you've ever scrolled through Pinterest, you've probably seen jaw-dropping transformations of outdated furniture into stunning statement pieces. With a little sanding, a fresh coat of paint, and some new hardware, you can give old furniture a brand new life. Think of that old wooden dresser in your storage. Imagine painting it matte black with gold handles for a sleek, modern look. Or how about turning an antique cabinet into a stylish bar cart? The possibilities are endless, and with just a weekend of work, you can have a completely new piece of furniture at a fraction of the cost of buying new. Lighting plays a crucial role in home makeovers, and one of Pinterest's most loved hacks is DIY pendant lighting. You don't have to splurge on expensive designer pieces. With some creativity, you can transform simple materials like baskets, wireframes, or even glass jars into stunning light fixtures. Warm, ambient lighting can completely transform the mood of a space, making it feel cozy, elegant, and inviting. Try using LED strips under cabinets or along baseboards to add subtle yet effective lighting enhancements. Let's move to kitchen upgrades. A Pinterest-inspired favorite is the open shelving concept. Instead of traditional upper cabinets, consider installing floating shelves to create an airy, spacious feel. Display your stylish dinnerware, chic glassware, and elegant spice jars. This not only makes your kitchen look high-end but also keeps everything easily accessible. Pair it with under-cabinet lighting for a truly sophisticated touch. For an added twist, try painting the inside of your cabinets a contrasting color for a unique, designer-inspired look. Now, let's bring some greenery indoors. Pinterest is full of creative plant display ideas, from vertical gardens to hanging planters. If you have limited space, try a wall-mounted plant shelf or a DIY macrame hanger. Indoor plants not only purify the air but also add warmth and vibrancy to your home. Mix and match different plant types to create a lush, Pinterest-worthy aesthetic. Want a low-maintenance option? Opt for faux plants that look incredibly realistic but require zero upkeep. A major trend taking over Pinterest is luxurious bathroom makeovers. One simple yet effective trick is upgrading your mirror with a backlit LED frame. This instantly gives a spa-like feel and enhances the overall ambience. Another easy upgrade is swapping out basic hardware for gold, matte black, or brushed brass finishes. These small details make a huge impact and elevate the overall aesthetic. Don't forget to add plush towels and scented candles to complete the 5-star hotel experience. For those who love multifunctional spaces, a Pinterest-inspired hack is using room dividers to create designated areas without major renovations. Whether it's a stylish bookshelf partition, a sheer curtain, or a sleek glass divider, this trick helps you optimize space beautifully. This is perfect for open-concept apartments where you want to create a cozy nook or a home office without permanent walls. Add a large area rug under each defined space to further enhance the separation while keeping the layout cohesive. Let's talk about an underrated yet powerful upgrade, decorative molding. Adding wall panels, wainscoting, or even simple trim designs can instantly make a space feel luxurious and high-end. It's an easy weekend DIY project that can completely transform plain walls into architectural masterpieces. Pair this with a bold paint color or a soft neutral shade for a truly Pinterest-inspired effect. Want a modern take? Try geometric molding designs for a fresh, contemporary aesthetic. A small but effective hack is upgrading your door handles and cabinet knobs. Swapping out outdated hardware with modern, sleek designs can make a huge difference. Imagine replacing basic silver handles with elegant gold or matte black options. It's a minor change that instantly elevates the look of your home. This trick works wonders for kitchen cabinets, dressers, and even closet doors. If you're looking for a dramatic transformation, an accent ceiling might be your next project. Most people focus on walls, but Pinterest is full of stunning ceiling design ideas, from bold paint colors to intricate wood paneling and even wallpapered ceilings. A statement ceiling adds character and uniqueness to a space, making it feel custom designed. If you're feeling adventurous, try a metallic or high-gloss finish for an ultra-glamorous touch. To create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, layering textiles is key. Mix different textures with area rugs, throw blankets, and plush cushions. Pinterest loves neutral-toned layered looks, but you can also play with bold patterns and rich colors to make a statement. A well-curated selection of textiles makes any space feel warm and luxurious. Adding a chunky knit throw or a faux fur rug instantly enhances the coziness factor. Finally, for those looking for an easy but high-impact hack, upgrading your entryway is the way to go. First impressions matter, and your entryway sets the tone for the rest of your home. Try adding a stylish console table, a statement mirror, and a few decor pieces like a vase or a tray. Don't forget to incorporate soft lighting with a chic table lamp or pendant light. A decorative basket for shoes and a sleek coat rack can keep the space organized while maintaining style. There you have it, Pinterest's top 30 home renovation hacks that will completely transform your space. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing home makeover inspiration. See you in the next video.